Here we're going to show you how to install Bully for Wifite. So first, let's see, launch Wifite. As you see, when we launch Wifite, we're missing Bully. So click the plus line here, select Kali. Of course, always make sure everything's updated. And if you want to also upgrade. Now we're upgrading. Yes. Once everything's updated and upgraded, check for Bully. So apt list Bully. But you can just do that. Yep, you see Bully exists. So now we want to install that. Apt install Bully. And now we will run Wifite again by typing Wifite. And you see it's no longer requesting Bully.